Have you ever stood in front of a crowd, your heart pounding, hands sweating, and voice trembling, unable to utter a single word? You're not alone. Public speaking is one of the most common fears, affecting people from all walks of life. The fear of being judged, making mistakes, or facing embarrassment can make even the most confident individuals feel shy and hesitant. But why does this happen? What is the psychology behind this fear, and how can we overcome it? In this video, we will explore the science behind public speaking anxiety and provide powerful strategies to build confidence and speak fearlessly. Why do we feel shy? Shyness is a deeply ingrained emotional response that arises when we feel exposed or vulnerable in social situations. It often stems from a fear of negative judgment or rejection by others. When we step into the spotlight, our brain perceives the situation as a potential threat, triggering self-doubt and nervousness. This is especially true if we lack experience or have faced criticism in the past. Additionally, societal expectations and personal insecurities can amplify feelings of shyness, making it difficult to express ourselves freely in front of others. Why can't we speak in public? Many people struggle to speak in public due to a combination of psychological, emotional, and physiological factors. One major reason is the fear of making mistakes and looking foolish. Our brain constantly overanalyzes the situation, convincing us that others will notice and judge every flaw. Additionally, the pressure to perform well and meet expectations creates mental blocks, causing us to forget words or stutter. The body's fight-or-flight response also plays a role. When we perceive public speaking as a threat, adrenaline surges, leading to shaky hands, a racing heart, and a dry throat, making it physically difficult to speak. The psychology behind this fear. The fear of public speaking, also known as glossophobia, is rooted in our brain's survival instincts. From an evolutionary perspective, humans are social beings who rely on group acceptance for survival. Facing a large audience triggers our amygdala, the brain's fear center, causing a heightened sense of self-awareness and anxiety. We become overly conscious of our actions, worrying about how we appear to others. This fear is further reinforced by past experiences, childhood conditioning, and societal pressure, making it challenging to break free from the cycle of anxiety. How to overcome this fear? Reframe your thoughts. Instead of viewing the audience as critics, see them as supporters who are eager to hear your message. Practice gradually. Start by speaking in small groups and gradually build up to larger audiences. Exposure therapy can reduce anxiety over time. Control your breathing. Deep breathing exercises help calm the nervous system, reducing physical symptoms of anxiety. Prepare and rehearse. The more familiar you are with your speech, the more confident you'll feel. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. Use visualization. Imagine yourself speaking confidently and successfully. This trains your brain to associate public speaking with positive outcomes. Engage with the audience. Instead of focusing on yourself, shift your attention to the audience. Embrace mistakes. No one is perfect. Accept that minor mistakes are normal and won't define your speech. How to build confidence in public speaking? Develop a growth mindset. Understand that confidence is built through experience and learning. Every speech is an opportunity for improvement. Strengthen your communication skills. Engage in daily conversations, practice storytelling, and work on voice modulation to enhance your delivery. Join public speaking groups. Organizations like Toastmasters provide a supportive environment to practice and receive constructive feedback. Record and review. Watching yourself speak can help identify areas for improvement and boost self-awareness. Adopt positive body language. Standing tall, using open gestures, and smiling can instantly make you appear more confident.